Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to easily back up your WordPress website using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. Plus, I'll share a bonus cPanel backup tip at the end. Let's get started. After installing plugin, you have to activate it. Note, you will need a Pro plugin. If you need it, comment us and we will provide you the plugin. Now, go to all-in-one WP migration and export. Click Export to and File. This will generate a full backup of your site, including themes, plugins, and database. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your site size. Once done, your browser will download a .wpress file. Save this securely: Google Drive, Dropbox, or an external drive. If you ever need to restore your backup, go to all-in-one WP migration and import. Upload your .wpress file and confirm the restore. Your site will revert to the exact state when the backup was made. We have already a video on this. For extra security, let's also back up via cPanel. This ensures you have a server-level copy. Follow us. Save the backup file .zip or .tar.gz securely. And that's it. Now you know 2 foolproof ways to back up your WordPress site. Regular backups can save you from disasters, so don't skip them.